Hi all, Renee here. I have a really fun unboxing for you today. It is the Stitch Quarterly cross stitch subscription from Fat Quarter Shop. This is something new they started. This is the very first one. The name of it's Homegrown. It comes in this just really pretty canvas bag. So let's take a look. I have not opened it, so you're seeing it with me for the first time as well. So it comes with this really pretty ribbon wrapped around it. I will definitely reuse that ribbon. There's enough ribbon there for like 4 cards. That's beautiful. Okay, so Homegrown cross stitch pattern. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, so in your kit comes the pattern. Let me look at it real quick. Okay, I'm not going to show you the inside because that has the chart. So that's what it looks like when it's finished. And it looks like it's just 4 colors. Wow, that's great. That'll be a quick stitch. It stitches up 8 by 8 on the 14 count Aida. And they provided the Aida, and I'm really excited because this is the whitewash board. I have not used this before. I've seen a lot of people using it and I've wanted to try it. So this will be a great way to try it. So there's the piece of Aida. Oh, I love that. And it looks like, you know, Joanna Gaines exclusive there. So that's really pretty. And this fabric feels great. This fabric is by Fabric Flare. And you get all of the DMC that you need. So it uses 30, 31, 725, 972, and 436. So you get all the DMC you need for the project. Let's put this over here so you can see it. And you get the pattern. Let's see. You also get this needle case with a cute little, oh, and it even has the needle and it's magnetized. That is so cute. I really like that. And what is this? This is a cross stitch key. Oh, cloth counter. Measure your stitch count, a ruler to determine your accurate spacing, a corner guide to measure margins, and a reference guide to determine the number of strands and the needle size you need, depending on what type of fabric and what type of floss you're using. Oh, this is awesome! So you can make your little mark if you know that you want to be 1.5 inch or 2 inches or 2.5 inches from the corner for your finishing. That is amazing. And then here's your cloth counter. Nice. It goes all the way to 32 count. Holy cannoli. I will do a floss tube soon and I'll show you some of the things that I've been working on, but I'm also going to show you some finishes that I had. And I have one that I'm not sure what the count is on it. It's really small, but this will help me, so I'll be able to tell what count it was. And I think it was also linen, but we'll see. So there's that and the zipper bag. This is awesome. So I hope you liked this, and I hope you give this a try. I'm not sure if they're on a waiting list like they are with the Sew Sampler, but you can check it out at Fat Quarter Shop. I'll leave a link down below. And I bought this with my own money. This was not sponsored, so just so you know, I'm giving you my true opinion, but I think this is a really nice kit, and I'm really excited to get working on it. It'll work great for the summertime in my house. So I hope you all have a great day. If you have any questions, just leave me a message down below and I'll be happy to get back to you. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye-bye.